description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, folks, we've got one from China. This is Baixiang with their spicy beef flavor. 5 ingredients, yummy soup. So we can hope for that. It's the powder and that, and then that. Okay. You make this in 600 mils of water. It's weird. The multi-pack has instructions. The individual does not. That's irritating, I think. And then this big liquid sachet goes in at the end. So here we go. Alright. Let's get her done. But yeah, you cook it for a minute like this with the noodle, and then you add in the liquid. That's right. Right? I think I got it right. There's that and that. Here comes our noodle. So I'm really excited. I am going to embark on a Meet the Manufacturer series soon. About what number will this be? This will be coming out on December 27th, I believe, this episode. Hope you had a good holiday deal thing. So we got 1 minute on this. And, yeah, so it'll be holiday, in a holiday style. But if that's where you're at, if not, you know, that's cool. And, yeah, so I'm going to be doing a Meet the Manufacturer series starting in January, early, like maybe the 2nd. And I'm doing a series with CGYY. CG is Chaudhary Group of Nepal. And that's exciting, I think. Such varieties as asparagus, pizza, and dynamite spicy chicken. That sounds interesting to me. I am interested. And I'm sure you'll be too. I think you might. Okay, so there was our 1 minute. Now we're going to add our sauce. If you have a stiff sauce, if your sauce gets too stiff, just warm it up with your palms, and then the sauce will do as you see fit. I think language is a weird thing. I try to use it correctly. So spicy beef. I'm curious if this will be more savory or Szechuan-y. One or the other. I'm really hyped. I can't wait. I ordered a lens after watching videos saying that a 50mm prime lens will make my life like wonderful for the camera. So that's neat. And I need to get, I'm gonna have to get another thing. I have to get a new exhibition, what do you call it? I need to get a new, God, I can't even think of, reproducer for my Victrola. People rebuild them and I have to get a rebuilt one. But then my Victrola should sound like heaven. Heaven. right now it sounds like garbage. We went to a place called Golden Oldies down in Seattle. It's a record store. They got a lot of 78s. I wanted to go through more of them, but they were all on the floor. So it's like getting on the floor and trying to go through records, and I can't see. So it's like if they were up, I could totally see them, but it's not like you can pick up the boxes and put them up top because they weigh like 100 pounds. A bunch of 78s. Those things are heavy, man. So, okay, this should be done. 2-minute noodle. Very India style. At least in the time. So here we are. Oh yeah, and we got stickers at Golden Oldies, and guess what? We lost them. I lost them, probably. Very bummed about that. I wanted to put them in my journal, or one of them. The other one was for my daughter. Alright. I don't want to eat that much. I'm trying to be good. So far, it's pretty good on the being good. Noodle is certainly cooked well. That's for the broth. Nice deep dark. It's pretty good. It's not bad. Not my favorite. I like the fact that it's not inundated with Szechuan, excuse me, with Szechuan pepper. It's not violently Szechuan-y. I'm putting it like that. I'm putting you like that. But yeah, for the next couple days, we have an excessive heat warning here. It is the dog days of summer, as it were. So that's a thing. Oh yeah, the veg. The veg head. Don't hide from me, vegetables. I really like it when veg like jumps out, acts right, makes its face known. There's some veg. That's nice. Okay. Scallion. Chinese sausage. Yeesh. Yeah. Nope. Everything is pointing to just drop her in. I don't usually do this, but I think that's the correct thing to do here. So I'm gonna do that. I want the noodle to be a little more. There we go. Sesame seed. I think that's good. More subtle. Crushed red pepper. A little bit. A little bit. I think I centered this bowl. I don't remember if I bothered. I think I did bother a little. Anyways, watch it spin. Uh-oh, really? Did I just not turn it on, or did it die? Yeah, it died. You need new batteries. Okay. Well, I do have new batteries, so I will load those in for the next one, and for it only takes one battery, a weird large one called an 1850. However, this will be the next one. This is Rose Bulldog. The last time I had this was the bowl version, and honestly, it tasted like Chick-fil-A sauce. So I'm really curious how this one will be. Possibly the same. I had a buddy tell me that it definitely tastes different than the Korean version. They changed it a lot for the US market. So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.